London is famous for its shops. London's always full of people shopping. In the world-famous shops of Knightsbridge, Oxford Street, Regent Street and Carnaby Street, you can buy anything and everything. And if you're shopping for something that nobody else has got, something different, there's somewhere for you too. There's Camden Town. Camden Town is an area of North London. It's famous all over the world for its fashion, artists, clubs and music, but it's most famous for its market. There are hundreds of shops and stalls along Camden High Street and in the 5 markets in Camden Town. There's nowhere to park a car in Camden. Most people come to Camden by bus or on the Underground. In the centre of Camden, there's the Regent's Canal and a lock. The area around Camden Lock is a very popular place for taking photographs. It's Saturday, the busiest day of the week in Camden, and there are people everywhere. So, what are people doing here today?
My name is Kanzaki, and I'm in Camden because I think Camden is the best place to find strange clothes.
I live in London. My friends are visiting me at the moment, so I'm showing them the town. We are shopping in Camden and I'm wearing my favorite purple dress.
I'm in Camden today looking for some new winter boots.
I'm shopping, I'm also looking for a job, and I've bought a belt from Cyberdog.
I'm in Camden visiting friends and I'm not shopping because I haven't got any money.
I'm here in Camden with some friends shopping for a bikini because Camden is the most fashionable place to be.
Fashion is very important in Camden. People come here to buy clothes that they can't buy anywhere else. And the most important thing is to look good while you're shopping. So, what are shoppers wearing today?
I'm wearing a black leather jacket and a pink top with a grey tight skirt and black leggings, and I have black dolly shoes on and my purple sunglasses.
I'm wearing a grey coat, a gold dress, black jeans and brown shoes.
I'm wearing a white striped t-shirt, a black skirt, black tights and silver shoes.
I'm wearing green overcoat, grey jacket, black trousers, white shirt, tie, waistcoat.
I'm wearing a blue denim jacket, a blue and white floral dress, black tights and a pair of leather boots.
I'm wearing a red jacket, a black and white dress and gold shoes.
Today I'm wearing a black overcoat with a black scarf, grey cardigan, dark blue tie, black shirt, black skinny jeans and black shoes.
I'm wearing a flowery dress, black tights and black shoes.
One of the best places to shop in Camden is the Stables Market. The Stables Market is one of the oldest markets in Camden. Inside there are over 100 shops selling clothes and accessories, music and food. Some shops, like Cyberdog, sell very unusual things. A lot of the people in this shop aren't buying anything. They're just looking around. There are a lot of vintage clothes shops in the Stables Market. Vintage shops sell old clothes. These clothes are very popular with the fashionable young people shopping at the market. There are also great music shops in the Stables Market, where you can buy new and old music. And it's a good place to eat too. You can buy food from all over the world here. The food is delicious and cheap. And in Camden, even the food is fashionable. How about trying the most stylish cake in town? A Camden cupcake.